can anyone tell me what are the types of SEO we have gone through?
Yes, ma'am. On-page SEO, off-page SEO, local SEO,
Yes.
and one more is technical SEO.
Yeah, good. So, do you know the functions of that? What is the main function of those? Okay, not really sure. So, types of SEO. It has a various type, as Koshe said, on-page SEO, on off-page SEO, technical SEO, right? So, different those all the techniques or those all the types, they have their different functions to optimize our website for better visibility on our Google search results, right? Search engine result page. So, what are the primary types and what is their particular functions that we can focus on while we working for the projects, right? On page SEO, it's mainly to have a particular website and do on page SEO, correct your pages, right? Optimize your content with your keywords, right? Relevant keywords. Optimizing your meta tags. Meta tags include the meta title and the description. So those are called the meta tags, right? The images, what images we are using, either we are using images or videos, that it should be under the resolution. What is the resolution? That if we are using image, it should not be greater than or less than KBs or MBs. So if we are using videos, so it should be on the KB, but not more than 50 or 100. So every website has their own categories or own resolution that so according to that it will not take your website to open for a longer time, right? It will not take to open the particular page, right? So we should focus on these elements on while doing on page SEO. So whenever users open our website, so our images or the videos, it should be open within a second, right? It is valuable for both the user and the search engine. If a search engine will show my website and user will open it, so user will be happy seeing the website that is opening within a second, right? The first thing is that user experience, it should be very good while if any user entering your website, if they are searching for the services, so if you have the services, that you should optimize it very correctly or add content according to your targeted audience or the audience needs, preferences, right? So we focus on the on page on the website. Okay, what is going on the website? What is the text in the images is using in my website? What is the theme or other parts of my website, right? Then once we're done with the on-page SEO, optimizing your content or other elements, then we focus on doing the submissions. So submission included the off-page. There are more submission like the keyword research, right? It is the practical one, but not the off-page because we are doing it for our website, right? There are other more submissions. I would say blog submission. If I want to write a blog and publish it to different websites, right? So I should be focusing on my services, like promoting my services via blog, right? It's, so while doing off page, we should like what is the main benefit of doing off page, right? Users, they don't know my website, right? They only know what is that the keywords, the terms, they only know that. right? They don't know that Prayug provides online courses, or Amazon or other websites, they are providing the services. So why, for doing off page is very good for our website also, and search engine. If anyone searches for the results or the information or the services, so what Google will do, search engines will do, they will show the results. So that will be very important for our website or Google to show our website in the search results of any of the user or the customer, right? So off page is very relevant and we should do it to increase our visibility on the search engine, right? The more we share the content or more we do the off page, the user will get to know our about our website, and Google also will know that this is the website which is providing all the services relevant to the users, right? So there are common off page activities or the techniques we should include, like link building, doing or creating backlinks, going on different website. It can be the blog one, or it can be the social bookmarking, or it can be the profile creation, right? So we should do that once we're done with the optimizing our website, right? We should share the our services or the products to the user, or to search engine or to Google, to show my website if user are searching for the particular terms, that the keywords which we have mentioned in our website, right? Then come to the social media marketing, promoting your products on social media channels, right? You are adding your services details over there, and let's suppose I want to create a masterclass or event or any of the thing. So I'll let to know that our user or my followers that I am inventing this, or I am providing new services. If anyone interested, they can avail it within the this hour, or offers if there is any offer going on. So I'll upload that all the things on my social media, that all the users can go to it and avail the services, right? It is all included in the social media. Then influencer outreach, you can reach out to the influencer who has a good follower, right? If it is in your budget, right? If you have 20K and you can give to the user or influencer to creating 30, 40 or 100 videos, it totally depends on like how much they are charging for per videos, right? So we can also reach to our influencers to promote my products and services through their cha- channel or the through their page, so that because they have the most of the users or the followers who have followed for their content, right? Whatever they publish, most of the user like that, or share that content to their friends, right? So this is all included in the off page. Then come to the technical SEO, right? Mm. Technical technical SEO is mainly concerned with the optimizing the technical aspects of our website to enhances crawlability. What is crawlability? That when a search engine bot, the crawler, came to our website to read the content of, right, and to store it in their databases, right? After that, what they do after after crawling, they do the indexing. What is the indexing? To index our website means to categorize my website content according to the categories. If I am uploading content for education or technology or IT or any other services, if I have the home decor website, so I have uploaded the blog or I have added the new page, right? So crawler will go to your website and read the content, whatever the content you have posted recently, right? So they read the content and they add it to their categories. So whenever user search for the particular category, if user are searching for education in education category, it can be anything. If they are searching for the colleges, if they are searching for the MBA, BA courses, right? So the search results, it will show your searches over there. So we can check the overall performance of our website, right? How my performance is working on Google or search engine, right? I can check these through the technical SEO, right? It also includes an optimizing your site speed. What is the site speed? Like to check if your website is opening in a within in seconds, or it has improved your mobile friendliness. It means that your website is opening in mobile phones easily, right? If there is any errors, so we can also correct it. Implementing a structured data, it means that the data we are putting in our website, or the images or the videos we are using in our website, so that should be the structured one, right? If we have created a landing page or we have created a new page, the structure of the data, it should be the correct one. If we have used the images, it should be on the resolution of according to the page, right? Then we can also create XML sitemap. What is XML sitemap? The sitemaps which has your all the URLs present in your website. How many types of sitemaps? Anyone know? I think we have covered that.
Which one, no?
Sitemap XML sitemap. How many are there?
Ma'am, sitemap HTML, sitemap XML.
And the XML, right?
Yeah. What is the main function of that?
Sitemap XML is a Google crawler for website.
Yeah, very good.
HTML is for user.
Okay. In which website we can see it?
Sorry, ma'am.
In which of the websites we can see the HTML?
Google, Bing.
Websites.
Oh,
Mm. Amazon, Flipkart.
yeah. Okay.
Yeah. Or government website. I have showed you.
Okay. Yes.
So those are all for the HTML is for the user, XML is for the crawler who can crawl my website and index the pages or service pages. Wait a second. Then come to the local SEO. We have also covered this, right? To optimize your website for local searches, right? If I have the location in Gurgaon, or I have my business in Gurgaon, so I can use the keywords, or I can add the keywords locally, right? If I'm providing services or digital marketing courses in Gurgaon or any other location, so this will be my, if we are putting any location, right, in our website, or location wise, I have also given you the keywords or a website URL for doing for keyword research, right? So I can add my services according to the geolocation if I have the particular physical location of my business, right? I can add, or I can do the local SEO for my website, right? Mainly, we focus on the Google My Business profile. What is the Google My Business profile? Whenever we search the term, right? So you have seen the places option, right? Or other options on a right, on your right hand side whenever we search. So it shows us the Google reviews, the website addresses, phone number, right? Or the details about like the location and opening hours. So that will all include in my Google My Business profile where I can add the details, right? Wait, is there any background noise or is it clear?
It's clear, ma'am.
Okay. So optimizing our website for local searches, right? Optimizing my Google My Business profile where I can add the details about my business, opening hours, website, phone numbers, right? So most of the user what they do if they search the term, right? So if the phone number is visible on that searches, so they directly call on that to ask the services or to know the more services or more details about your services, right? Most of the things it happens only like that. Through that you can just increase your sales, right? Increase your or increase your brand awareness too, right? Obtaining local citations totally means to add or add your keywords locally, local locations. You have to uh, we can also request our user to add a particular or proper or positive reviews on our on our Google pages. You have seen, right? So we can do the local SEO too. Then come to the mobile SEO, right? Mobile SEO, it mainly focus on the optimizing our website for mobile user, right? Most of the youth, they are opening any of the website. It can be the Amazon or a Flipkart or shopping platform or any other services related to their searches. So they open the website in their mobile phone. So mobile phone users are very much in the today's generation, right? They don't carry the laptop everywhere. They do carry the cell phones, so they usually open on that. So user friendly, my website should be the user friendly that it will open in the various mobile devices, right? It should also be the responsive. The design it should be the responsive. If I'm opening any of the images or any of the videos, so it should be open in a good manner or it should not be cut it from any of the designs, right? So fast loading times, it should be load fast. If sometimes we go to the YouTube and search for the video, so if that video is taking our time, we stay on that because we don't have the other option to search for this, right? So it should be the fast loading if we have added the video or images in our website, right? So we should also make the mobile friendly content. You have seen the most of the content we have added. Let's suppose I want to read a blog, right? I went to the medium.com or tumblr.com. If their mobile resolution is not good and responsive design is not good, so what content will appear it if let's say the title is very big and the below content is very short, so that will be not work like that. If you are opening in mobile devices, so it should be open in a like the proper way. If the images or images are short and the content are short, so that will be difficult for user to read your content, right? So your website or your content, it should be the mobile responsive. The design should be the responsive. So any user will read your content or go to your service pages. And sixth one is the voice search SEO. So you have seen most of the user, they also use the voice option to search any services. We go to the search bar of Google and there is the option for voice. So we use the voice to search the services. Let's suppose I don't want to write SEO, find SEO services or best SEO services in Delhi. What I'll do, I'll just click onto the that option, volume option, and I'll just say the word that I'm searching for this. So that will also work. That will also work for a website. We should also do that, right? This is all going on like these few years about the voice search. And AI also, AI mode is also showing in your Google searches if you have seen, or in your mobile phone or desktop. Whenever you search, the first term it will show you the uh, AI one, right? AI mode. Yes. So we should also focus on that too, optimizing our website according to that only.
Ma'am, for voice,
Yes.
like if you are typing
Yes.
digital marketing course near me, okay?
Hmm. Yes.
In voice also same.
Yes.
Both the things will produce the same result, right?
Yeah, it will show you the same result.
Same.
You can try it once. Let me know if that will show you the same result or not. Okay?
Yeah.
Yeah, we can try it. Because most of the time, what Google will do, Google will show you the fluctuated result on that. If you have searched this term and after 10 minutes you will search the same term, it will show you the different result. Because who have the best SEO, who have done the best SEO, it will show you on the first top pages, right? If you search the same term after that, so the website it will be like the different. If I'll search for it, wait a second. If I'll go to the Google and search for it. I have searched it here. You have seen the sponsored 88 gravity and the results, the normal result like organic result, right? It is showing this. If I'll go to this and I search it in the incognito mode, let's see. It will show you the same result or not. The AI mode or the sponsored one, it has Google has removed it. Once I saw the SEO services near me in incognito mode. So the first it is showing as the Just Dial, or second one is the Pankaj Kumar SEO, and third this. So there are different results, right? Let's suppose I'll search it here while searches search by voice. Okay. SEO services in Delhi. SEO services in Delhi. SEO services in Delhi. Right. It has shown you the result. See, the first result seeing it here is local SEO, Pankaj Kumar SEO. And I have searched it here. It is showing into the second number. First one is the Just Dial. If I'll just refresh it, it is showing the same result again. If you check after 30 minutes or 1 hour, the result will show the different most of the time. It also happen with the sponsored result, right? If you not take any action for the sponsored result, it will just remove it from your searches, right? Because we are not interested in the sponsored result. It happens. So we should also use keyword, conversational keyword, and provide concise and relevant answer. We are working for the voice search achieve, right? So how we can do it? We'll do in the upcoming classes, right? How we can optimize our website for the voice search SEO, or how we can use the mobile SEO, right? What is the content, or what are the elements we can use, or what is the correction we can do for our website. Then there are e-commerce SEO, like mainly focusing on to the e-commerce products, product pages, category pages, and all the e-commerce website, right? We can individually what we can do is like we can go for the SEO only, or if we particularly if I'm interested in the e-commerce only, I love to update the product pages on my website, category pages on my website, and overall all the e-commerce website, or other thing. So I should focus on that thing only if I have the store. Either it can be the store, or either it can be the physical location, or it can be the online one. Online stores and the offline I can focus on these. If I have the offline store, I will not be focused on the product pages because I don't have the website, right? If I have the website, I can focus on the online stores. But if I have the physical location, so I should focus on the customers only. The new services, or not the new services, new products which you have launched. You can focus on that. So most of the thing you have seen whenever you go to the mall, you have seen the statues, right? The dresses they showed for like the upcoming dresses or the new collections dresses. Once you go to the studio, you have seen it, right? They have the statues who have the collections, new collections. So they show it like that if they have the offline stores. If they have the online store, what they do? Firstly, they have launches the new products, right? They launch new products. So what they do? They usually run ads for particular products. That this is the new collection we have launched this month or this year. So we can also do the e-commerce SEO if we have the website or we are mainly focusing onto the e-commerce part, right? Then come to the YouTube SEO. If we are like YouTubers or we are very passionate about the video content creation, so we should also focus on the YouTube SEO because we are mainly doing the or uploading the videos on YouTube or other platforms, right? For this, we don't need the website because we have the content. You have seen most of the cooking videos you have seen in the Instagram channel or YouTube channels, right? Most of the cooking or the educational videos. So they don't have their website. They are just promoting their content via YouTube SEO or the Instagram channels or other channels, social media channels mainly, right? So you can also focus on the YouTube optimizing your video content for the better visibility on YouTube search result. So whenever we go to the YouTube, if I want to listen a song, Sapphire, yeah, any other thing, right? Any of other videos or songs or any other videos related to it can be the movies or any podcast, right? So I can go to the Google and search the result over there, right? For that, I don't have my website first thing that user is searching on YouTube. So for YouTube SEO, there is a different part or how we can do it. Right? We also have the things for that. Relevant keywords we can also find. Engaging thumbnails. Thumbnails we also added, right? Whenever we are uploading podcasts on YouTube, so we add the thumbnails. What is the title of that video? We have also added that. What is the description and the tags, right? So we can also do the YouTube SEO if we are mainly focusing onto the content, video content, right? Then come to the content SEO. Content SEO involves in all the SEO part. If we have the website, we are also adding the content in our website, right? If we have other services regarding sharing the content via video, we don't have the website, YouTube SEO, right? So in everywhere we need the content, right? It can be the high content, mainly SEO, right? If we are doing SEO for our website. So we should focus on the high quality of the content, like how we are creating the content or adding the content in our website. What is the valuable content? What is it valuable for search engines or not? So it all include the keyword research, creating good content and shareable content to our user. What is the it also addressing your user intent, what user are searching for, what is their preferences, what they like the content, what they like in the content. So we should also do the research for these only, right? Then if we have the international business, we should focus on the international SEO. Most of the website, what they are doing, they are targeting multiple countries, right? If I'm providing SEO services in India, so I can also provide SEO services in London or UK or US, right? I can also do for that because we are doing the online business. We don't have the physical location if I'm providing the digital marketing services. So most of the companies you have seen, they have the client out of the India, right? So we should also focus on that too. What we can focus on if let's suppose I have services like a digital marketing course in US. So I'll be optimizing that page or adding the content. What a user that is sitting on USA searching for that. What they mainly do, they'll search digital marketing course in US, right? Or a particular location they can search it for, right? In US, what is the location we can try or we can focus on? So I should also like create a strategy or find a good strategies or the tactics we can focus on, right? What is the different languages they are using? What is the regions we can focus on, right? So we should optimize content according to the that languages and the regions, right? For that we can use a href lang tags or geo targeting tags and creating region specific content, right? UK, US, you can create content according to that, right? You can use keywords related to that. So href lang tags I show you earlier, like in last class, I think, right? So whenever I'm opening any Japanese website or other websites, which is very different, language is totally different, the website language is totally different, the added content language is totally different. So I can use this tag for my different location business, international business, usually use for that, right? Any doubt till now? These are all the SEO.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Then types of SEO and their functions. So e-commerce function, we mainly focus on the e-commerce projects. YouTube SEO, if we are creating any podcast or any other thing, so we should also focus on that too. So I'll share the PDF in your WhatsApp group. Okay. Then come to the part what is on pages, right? On page SEO, it refers to the optimizing our individual pages present in our website. It can be the web pages or our home page, right? So we mainly focus on that pages or optimizing or adding content into that pages. That search through that my search engine ranking will be improved, or I can also attract my organic traffic. How can I increase my organic traffic? If user are searching for the terms and if my website is visible for their searches, so that is like if a user will click on my website, so that will be count as my organic traffic. That user came to my website while searching the term, right? It involves optimizing various elements on our web pages to make it more relevant and valuable for both the user and the searcher. So mainly we focus on SEO. The main thing is that our user should be like they should be able to see my website or they should be go to my website if my website is very good. So and it is also helpful for the search engine. That search engine will show my results to my users, right? The main goal is to ensure that the content is easily understood by search engines, right? If user like search engine will understand our content, they know that what Prayug is providing and what Struvel is providing, right? So that will show your result to the user. If a search engine will not know about you and they don't know what Prayug or what Struvel do, so how will they provide a positive results to your visitors, right? To your users. So what are the main key components we can focus on the on-page SEO, right? Keyword research. That was the very first part while indulge with any of the projects or any of the website, right? There are the tools which you have showed it. Then come to the title tags. So we should craft a better title tag that includes the main keyword, right? If I'm providing the course or providing SEO services in Delhi, so I should add the proper keyword in my title also. I can write the title like this: best SEO services in Delhi by this company, right? Find best SEO services or good or excellent SEO services in Delhi or Gurgaon by this company. So we can create it through the, or we can see our competitors what they have did. We don't have to copy their title, but we can get an idea that what exactly they are using, right? So we should make a proper title. It should be include your keyword. So the title is mainly display on your search engine result pages. Have you seen that? Anyone? What is title in that? Whenever we go to Google, there are two, three things we see any of the websites.
The
What is
first
that?
one, the
Yeah.
first one will be the title, and
Hmm.
down we'll be having some description.
Okay. That will be our meta description, right? The first one is the meta title.
Meta title.
So every pages have their meta title and the meta description, and they have added their keyword into that. So that will be very good for a user if they are searching. Let's suppose I'm searching, I want to buy shoes or buy a new car. Yeah. I add the model number or add the company's name, like which company's car or services I'm looking for. So that will show me that the title it will you have seen the best courses by Prayug or best courses by any other DIDM or any other companies. So that will be the title to attract your customers or user, right? The title should be the very good one. If user are looking for and they have read your title or the meta description, so they'll definitely open your website, right? So it is the very crucial element for a click-through rates. What is click-through rate? So whenever a user search and they clicked on your website, that will be the click-through rates. How many people are clicking on your website through the search results, right? Then meta description. So we should add the compelling meta description that will summarize the content of the page. How we can summarize the content of the page? Right? If I have the website or a service pages for data analytics course and I have added the meta description which is for the different course. So will it be work? No, right? If I have the data analytics page and I should also add the content, the title and the description according to that only. Na? I will not add the different courses details into that, right?
It should be within 160. Correct.
Yeah, it should be around 160 characters, right? While adding meta description don't directly impact rankings. It will not help you improve your rankings, but that will help you to get traffic for your website. That we can influence our user to click on our website, right? Then header tags. There are H1, H2. H3, H4, H5, H6. Till H6, H1 to H6, we have the header tags. So we should also use the header tags to structure the content of our website. If I have added the website content in my sub pages, right? So first one will be the title tag, title, right? After that, it will be the little bit of content. After that, we add the subheadings. So let's suppose I'm writing a blog for a best digital marketing course in Delhi, right? So first will be this will be the title, best digital marketing course in Delhi. This will be the title. I have added a little bit description, right? Let's suppose I have added 150 or 200 description below that, and after that I am adding a heading, subheading, that will be come under the H2, right? H2, that SEO details, like what you will learn, that will be your H2 tag, right? H3, what is the main differences, I would say, or what you will get doing this course, that will be the H3, right? Subheadings, headings, subheadings, subheadings, subheadings. You can add according to that. At the end, what we do, what we add the we add the conclusion. So that will be also come under the subheading. So H1 tag, it will be only one for your particular service pages or a particular one page, right? But subheadings like H2, you can use up to 5 times or 10 times, right? Mainly, we should add 3 to 4 times. The subheadings H2, it will be, we can use 1 to 10 times. H1 will be 1, H2 will be 1 to 10 times, and H3, H4 we can use multiple times. They don't have the limit, but H1 and H2, they have the limit. So that you should also remember. It will help us to break down the content into the subheadings, right? It will also help us to organize the content of our website, right? Any doubt in it? Okay.
No.
What about others?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Then URL structure. So we should create SEO friendly URLs that are easy to read and contain the main keyword. How it can be? Avoid using complex URLs with unnecessary parameters. Unnecessary parameters, it will be count here as, like, we should not add the any special characters. We should not add any numbers in it, in our URLs. We should not add any other characters, right? How it will be count as the SEO friendly URLs? I'll show you the example. Let's suppose this is the website I have opened. Here you can see Pankaj Kumar SEO.com services, local SEO services, Delhi, India, right? What it they use the hyphen over here after each word, right? That will be count as a good SEO URL. Let's suppose I'll move on to the different URL. It will be the same one, right? I'll go to the different one. It is also showing like this, but there are URLs who added the special characters, right? NCR.php. Instead of dot, it should be the hyphen, right? You should not use the dot also. Let's suppose case studies or careers, if they have the pages, they have also used the .php, right? So we should not add any characters in your URLs. Right? Here you can see the different things, and also used in it, plus also used in it, right? Equals to or question mark. So we should not add these kind of special characters in our URLs. That will not be count as a good or SEO friendly URL. We should also use the keyword and related in our website, in our URL. Like this, in this website, what they did, local SEO services in Delhi, that will be their main keyword for this. Local SEO services, Delhi, that will be their keyword, right? They have also added in the URLs also. So we should make URLs like this if we have adding the details. Let's suppose I went to the blog page. Okay. This is the top 10 digital marketing agencies in Satara. Top 10 digital marketing agencies in Satara. So what the title we are using, we should mention or we should add that as the URL also. Okay. That will be counted as the good or good SEO friendly URL. Right. The keyword placement. Place the main keyword strategically throughout the content. Right. Include in the first paragraphs. It can be the after paragraphs. It can be the headings. Right. We should add content or keywords in our website naturally. We should not stuff the keyword. Let's suppose I have created the content. Right. Content will be the 100 word. Right. In that I have added 10 keywords. So it will not work like that. I should also always add only one or two keyword and a proper content of if I'm using or adding blog in my website or adding content, the content word length is like 500 to 600, right? So I will add three to four keywords, not more than that. If I want to add the keyword, I'll use the synonyms, right? Alternate words. So I should add the content according to that. The keyword placement, it should be very good. The first thing we can add it on the title. The second thing we can add on the paragraph, whatever we have written, right? In every subheading, I can also use the keyword. If SEO services or salary or any other content we have added, conclusion. So I can add titles or keywords in my headings or paragraph. So it will be count as a naturally you have did the or place your keywords very good, like in a correct way, in a correct manner, you can say, right? Then social media integration, encouraging social sharing by integrating social media tags in your website. Social media buttons you have seen, right? WhatsApp button, call button, or Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn. You have seen in every of the website. They have added the buttons or social media if they want to see like how many followers you have in Instagram, so they can check it through that button integrated in your website, right? While social signals may not directly impact ranking, so we should add it, but it will not help in ranking our website on Google searching. But we are adding it for the user experience or for users, right? That a user should also check our social media handles, right? They can help in increase our visibility or the traffic on Google, right? It can increase my Instagram followers or LinkedIn followers, right? It will help me like that. Then content quality, the quality it should be very good. It should not be copied from the chat GPT or any other thing. It should be the informative and engaging content also. If user will engage with the content and engage with their pages or with their website, so that will be counted as a good website or your user's query it is solving in your website, so that will be good for us, right? Then the content depth, it should be good. It should also perform well in your search engine result pages, right? If your website is searching on search result, so user should also get the benefit from that from your website, right? Then come to the internal linking, right? We should link our relevant pages within our website. If we have a homepage, right? I have mentioned SEO services on homepage. Like we have the different services, SEO services, digital marketing services, web development, or website creation. So if I have added these keywords in my homepage, so I should also mention or interlink that page to my homepage. If I'll show you the example how we can use the internal linking, it will improve your user navigation, right? That it will be very easy for your user to go to that pages without searching anything, right? Let's suppose digital marketing agency in Delhi. If I'll click onto that, it is showing the error. So they have not added any content. Let's go to the different. Let's suppose I go to the Prime. In every website, you will see this kind of thing. So here you can see Diploma in Computer Science, DCA. If I'll click onto the view course, it will be redirect to the that particular page of DCA, right? So that will be your internal linking, right? I have internal link or added my link or added my services in the home page to attract my user. If I'll click onto that, I'll redirect to that particular page. So I can also do it for my website, right? If I'm planning any master classes, right? What is the date or the timings I can see it from this, right? If I click onto the view more, so there will be the benefits of the live session, more about the event, all the details you will see over there, right? So I can interlink my different course URLs in home page for to mainly attract my user, right? That will be count as your internal link, right? It will improve the user navigation, right? User can go easily to the different pages, right? It will help me in that. So these are all included in the what is SEO, on page SEO, right? Is there any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Okay, I'll share the PDFs, both the PDFs with you
Ma'am, 1 second. Ma'am, can you explain what are the things to be added for the test?
for the
It-
test.
Yeah, first serial number like 1, 2, 3. How many keywords is what keyword we are selecting, right?
Yes, wait, let
For example, if I'm giving as a Excel,
mm-hmm.
second keyword will be advanced Excel.
Yes,
It is like 1, 2, 3. This monthly searches we have to find it in the
keyword
uh,
planner.
keyword. Okay,
Yeah,
planner. Right? Okay, okay, fine. Okay, ma'am. Okay, better.
okay. If you have like if you face any doubt after this class or once you will do the practical or the keyword research, you can text me when you got confused, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Sure, sure.
Any other doubt? Okay. Not an issue. If you have doubts, you can just drop the question or queries in the WhatsApp group. I reply to that.
No, no, ma'am. In WhatsApp group we can't message.
You
It's
can.
only for admin.
It's only for admin. So,
Yeah.
not an issue. You can message on my number, the keyword research assignment which I have shared. You can drop my text on that number.
Okay, ma'am. Fine.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay. Yeah. Have a good day. Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am. Happy
Happy
weekend.
weekend, ma'am.
Yeah. Bye. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.